Hey, sweetie, I gotta tell you something, okay? I know over the past years I've been a little bit toxic, you know. I've been a toxic boyfriend to you. And I told you many times that I would change, and I haven't. Um, and I wanted to tell you that I'm sorry. And I know that, you know, I guess one of the things that I've been trying to do was to separate you from your family, and I know that may be toxic, but I had good reason. You know, I was afraid that your parents wouldn't approve of me, or your friends wouldn't like me, you know. Actually, I know that your parents wouldn't approve of me, and that's why I separated you from your family, because I didn't want to lose you. You know, I didn't want anyone to get in the way of our relationship, right? Didn't want your family to get in the way, or your friends. Yeah. I mean, I just love you, and I didn't want to jeopardize anything between us, and that's why I did what I did. Mm. And also, I'm sorry for trying to separate you from your friends. I'm sorry. And for not allowing you to have any friends. It's just that. So I was afraid that they would influence you, you know? I mean, I knew what they were gonna say. They were gonna tell you how toxic I am, what a bad boyfriend I am, that you can do better, that you can find a better looking guy. And I was afraid of losing you, and I didn't want anyone to influence you. So I thought that if I isolated you from your friends and from the world, that would be your only option. And that's why I did what I did. I was afraid of losing you. I didn't want to lose you. I really didn't. I love you so much. And that's why I kept you isolated. That's why I didn't allow you to have friends. And that's why I didn't allow you to see your friends. I just wanted you. I just wanted you for myself. And I want you to know that I'm a changed man. And that I'm gonna start treating you better. You know, I'm not gonna manipulate you anymore. I won't. Okay? I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna treat you right. Because you're my little princess, okay? You're my everything. And you deserve the best. And I'm here to give you the best, okay? Because I love you so much. No, sure, sweetie. You can ask me anything. Anything you would like. No, sweetie, you can't leave. I built this cage for you. I don't think you understand how hard it was for me to kidnap you. So, you are never gonna leave. Sweetie, you know I love you. I love you so much. You're my everything. You know that, right? I hope you understand that. You're my everything. And you'll learn to love me too. You will. You will learn that just a little bit more time that you'll learn that we're meant to be. You've only been here for 15 years. I'm gonna give us another 15 years and you'll understand. We are meant to be together. Oh, sweetie, you're never gonna leave. You love me, trust me, you don't want to leave. You do. And I love you. I love you so much, sweetie. Did you just call me crazy? I'm not crazy. I'm crazy in love with you. You know that. I love everything about you. But no, I'm not crazy. Would a crazy person keep you down this long in this basement, building this beautiful cage for you to be in? I don't think so, sweetie. So I'm not crazy. I'm perfectly fine. I'm normal. But I love you so much. But you should be crazy. You should be crazy in love with me. It would just be so fun, me and you, wouldn't it? I know deep inside you're crazy for me. You just don't know it, sweetheart. Yeah, you just don't know it, my princess. And I'm never, ever, ever gonna let you go. You're gonna be with me forever. I hope you understand that. You're just gonna be down here with me forever. I love you so much. And I know that you love me. You just don't know it yet. And I love you so much, sweetheart. You're my everything. Oh, don't be sad, sweetheart. Don't be sad. As soon as you realize that you love me, you'll be happy. You'll be happy with me. You'll be happy with me forever. Don't be sad. Please don't be sad. Don't be like this. We're gonna be together forever. You're gonna live a perfect life. Trust me. You're gonna live a perfect life with me forever. There's so many wonderful things I want to do to you. I want to cuddle with you. I want to watch movies with you. I want to hold you. We're going to have so much fun. You're going to fall in love with me. And you're going to understand that I'm the perfect man for you. And I'm going to make you so happy. And you're going to be so happy with me. I know you're going to be so happy with me. Because I'm going to be so happy with you. Oh, don't cry, sweetie. You love me. You just don't know it yet. You love me so much, you just don't understand. No, sweetie, you can't leave. I will never let you go. You'll never see your friends or family. You're just gonna be with me now on. you too much to ever let you go. I don't think you understand how precious you are to me. And I don't think you understand how much I love my precious, precious girl. No, you're gonna feel better. I promise. Don't worry about the cage. Once I can trust you, maybe I can take the cage away, but I need to trust you. Right now is not the time for me to trust you. Do you understand? Okay? Once you love me, that's when I know that I can trust you. Then maybe I can give you a little bit more freedom, like walking around this basement. Don't worry, princess. Everything's gonna be okay. You just gotta understand that you love me. Like I love you. You just don't know that yet. Here, don't be sad, okay? Don't be sad. Come here. Come cuddle with me. Come cuddle with me right now. Don't be sad. It's okay. Here, come close. I don't bite. There you go. Isn't this better? Yeah? You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. Your eyes are honestly really something special. Trust me, I'm not saying this to impress you. It's just the way they sparkle, you know, when you talk about something you love. I mean, they're kind of distracting sometimes, but I can honestly tell you I don't mind it. I mean, like, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I get lost in your eyes, like, all the time. And sometimes when the light just hits it just right, they glow. They have this unique beauty to them. I can't help but notice it, honestly. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. I know that you stole my heart. In your lips. You got the most gorgeous lips in the world. Your lips are really beautiful. There's something about them that just draws me in. It's like when you smile, it lights up the whole room. And everything just fades away. And I can't help but feel so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for